been keeping me up at night while he plays till light. Think I see a change in him. When we adventured away from earth and back, we chased the sun so the light held on, rode the wave of dawn. Think I see a change in us. Again today, one stitch is missed, I'm torn astray. Can't focus 'cause I'm so pissed. I burn my arm on a scolding pan. Soon I'm falling on my hands. And now I have sprained my wrist. When will he ever surprise me like before? With our magic basket and us in charge of the world at large, can't we still explore our sky? Anxiety will disagree, but blame it on me. Must be out of touch, making too much